Hey everyone, Steffi from Lone Rider. Today I want to show you these in a little bit more detail. Our extremely popular headlight protector for the BMW GS 1200 and 1250. Taking care of the headlight assembly on any ADV bike is pretty much a must. So our headlight protection kit is maybe just what you need. Let's check it out what's in the box. I just take it all out because I have limited space. First of all, we have two mounting brackets, a mounting instruction or instruction manual in 4 languages, extremely detailed, a small bag with accessories, then our stainless steel grille, bolts and fittings, clear lens, and here is our polycarbonate Lexan lens, what you can actually interchange, so we have spares of that just in case you break it. Let's put that all to one side. Let's look at that in a bit more detail. Let's start first with our grille. That one has already the amber clear lens fitted. That is really for daylight riding, so you can keep the light down a bit and it actually looks really cool. That together with the mounting bracket really holds the whole assembly in place. Then you have the polycarbonate clear lens. I mean, I'm just not taking it off, but you know, it's easier to see if I leave that wrapper on. One tip straight away: never ever use any abrasive material to clean those. Really, just water and soap. I can't stress it enough. It actually is printed on here in 4 languages, so you don't forget. So don't blame us if you scratch it. Then obviously we have the Lexan lens here. Again, replaceable in amber and in transparent, and I'm just taking one side off. So let's just have a quick look in more details about the bracket. Well, they fit perfectly on all the modern GS. I mentioned before which bikes they're compatible with, and I also put here a list on the screen so you know when you order you definitely have the right set. It fits right in the existing mounting system on the bike, and then you have down here, you can't see it, a swivel, and then what you can do is if you hook that in, you can actually, hold on a second, actually what I do is, one second, I just take that bolt out here just to demonstrate, but it's not a big deal. So here we go. So imagine the bracket is mounted to your bike, so you can actually swivel the unit down, fit your polycarbonate behind it, and then just swivel it up, and it will click into the bush here, and it's rock solid. The polycarbonate unit fits directly behind the stainless steel grille, and all you have to do is, watch that, snap it in place with 2 rubber bushes, and it's permanently attached and it's rock solid, so that won't go anywhere. And because of the rubber brushes, it also will not rattle. If in your country you're not allowed to have an amber Lexan lens mounted on the front of your headlight, we also included the see-through version, so you're covered. Let's sum it all up why our headlight protector is so popular with GS riders. Let's start with stainless steel construction, thick polycarbonate lens, tough as anything, amber Lexan lens replaceable with a clear one, super stylish mounting kit, fits perfectly the lines of your modern GS, flip away construction, so you're always compliant with your local laws. Right, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video for our headlight protection kit. If you have any questions, just go to our website. There's tons of information there, or get in touch via email. Until next time, guys, stay safe and ride safe. All the very best from the Lone Rider team.